second grade readers. So how did it go? Were you able to start to identify the difference between when your characters are having feelings, lots of different ones throughout a story, and their actual character traits or their personality, the thing that stays kind of consistent throughout the story? Well, today I want to teach you that when readers read, they start to form opinions about their characters. And I want you to understand that there is no such thing as a wrong opinion as long as it's based on what's happening in the story. So today, readers, I want you to make a decision about your characters. And I want you to form your own opinion about your character and think, is my character a friend or a foe? You may not have heard that word foe before, but think of it this way. Is your character more acting like a hero or a villain? And then I want you to use that evidence, and I want you to make your very own character trait poster and include on it the words that would support your opinion that you're thinking about with your character. So I have here a few examples from some second graders that have done this year, and I want to share with you some of them because there's some good examples of both. So let me just put this one up here first. So this is one that a second grader did for Big Nate. And one of the things that they said here is, first they identified who it is, Nate, and that this was from the Big Nate story. And then they said that they noticed that one of the personality traits was that Nate is a nice boy. They also noticed that one way they could tell that he was nice, they shared some evidence by saying he was polite and he was kind. And they also noticed that there was this other trait, that he's really funny. And then they put in one feeling word to describe one of the feelings in his story, which was happy. Okay? Another character that someone focused on was Mercy Watson. And in Mercy Watson, on this one that the student chose to do, they noted some of the things that Mercy liked to do or that she likes. So they said she loves buttery toast. So this is some specific examples from their story, right? They said, here's a character trait. She's playful. They also said she's very, very funny. And that they shared that she liked to play chase. And then they shared something else. They said she likes to make trouble. I like that they included that because it shows that even though she is playful and that she likes to play chase, that's one evidence of how she's playful, and that she's really funny. They also put in there this little bit that kind of shares what we might expect when we read the Mercy Watson stories, that she makes trouble. Okay. Another one that a student did was based on Bad Kitty. And in Bad Kitty, now remember I said you have to decide, is it your character a friend or a foe? So in this one, she wrote, not a good listener. Right? So that's a behavior. And remember, when we look at the character traits, we look at how they behave usually through the book. So this student was noticing that Bad Kitty throughout the whole book really was not a good listener, and that this character tends to be grumpy. Okay? Think about that for a moment, and I'm going to share one last one. So this student decided to do Katie Woo. And in the stories of Katie Woo, she included that she noticed that this character was a worrier. And that she noticed that that was kind of throughout the whole book. And that she gets nervous. So this was one way, that evidence that she found in the book that proved that she was a worrier. So see how you can include these words on your posters? She said that she was brave though, even though she worried, she was brave. And then she put in this emotion here that she cried in this story. Okay, so I want you to notice just that you can use journal paper, you can use copy paper. If you have a bigger poster, these tended to be a little bit like construction paper size, but you can use whatever it is that you have available. All of these used crayon and a little bit of black marker and then pencil just to write everything in. So have fun. Remember to include your evidence with the words that describe your character, their personality, and include a few things that are examples of their feelings that support your opinion. Good luck.